Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenaba. You could probably tell by the title of the video, you already know what it's going to be about. I'm going to show you how I installed this quick and easy, I think it's called a V-part wig, from Unice hair or Unice hair. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. I always heard good things about this company. I never tried it before, so I'll let you guys see what I think in the end. I mean, you probably know already because like, look at what it's giving. Watch the video to see how I installed it and how easy it is. So inside the box, it came with the wig, obviously, and a few other things that they gave me. It was pretty much a wig cap, eyelashes, and the band that you put around your lace when you're trying to like melt your lace, and then this little blendy brush thing, which I thought was really cute. I already had cornrows. I just parted my leave out that I wanted, and then I just braided it and fixed it so that it won't be bulky. Here's me trying to put the wig on. Yes, look at her. She's giving very much stiff wear. Okay, so it comes with like so many clips. Like, I was so confused, but it came with like 4 clips on the front, 2 on the side, and then 1 in the middle, and then 2 on the back. So like, you're gonna be very secure with this wig. And it's actually pretty easy to install. Like, you could probably get ready within 5-10 minutes, to be honest. Like, it's so convenient. Okay, I just got everything together. I put the wig on. I'm just confused about these little, oh okay, I got it. These little clips here. So you can snap them to make them more secure and make the wig more flat. So yeah, like, I really like that. Because at first when I put it on, it was kind of weird. But anyways, so I'm gonna just middle part. For the most part, I can say that it's very easy to install. And I just put like edge control on my edges. It is long, and I can say there's no shedding. Let me just get up for you guys so you can kind of see how long it is. So I'm about to just style it. I'm trying to figure out if we can. Okay. I don't even want to do nothing to it, to be honest. Like, yes. And the shedding, there's no shedding. I did want to dye it though, because I actually want like black. But if I were to dye it, that means I have to dye my hair. But for the most part, I really love this. Like, I love the fact that I can go to sleep, take it off, and I don't have to worry about like, because like with normal lace front, all that stuff, you gotta worry about like how you're gonna shower, if the glue's. So guys, my camera died, sorry about that. But I was just saying that this wig is so gorgeous. Like, no shedding. It feels so soft. Like, look at the, who am I feel like I need to be playing like Beyonce in the background or something. I'm just so obsessed. I haven't even. How many inches is it? So this wig is 24 inches, middle part bust down, body wave, and all I did was pretty much flat iron my leave out, and I put some edge control on my edges. So this wig is so convenient if you just want to throw on your wig and run outside the house. I love it because I'm not a fan of lace fronts, to be honest. I don't want to get into that. I'm not really, I want to try it, but I'm really scared. It's just like too much, like the gel and all that stuff is too much maintenance. So next time I'll probably just straighten this hair and I'll show you guys how it looks. But if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Call me when you want to